welcome everybody. This is the giveaway video for the month of December for our mead wine hard cider making on the cheap group on Facebook. You can see there we got a 1 gallon homemade small batch fruit wine making kit. If you're an experienced mead maker, you may not need any of this stuff here, or wine maker. But it'd make a great gift to give to somebody and get more people involved in making small batches of wines and meads at home. The more that are doing it, the merrier, right? Alright, so that's what the giveaway item is. Let's go on and look at all the people that entered to the giveaway. The first spot's taken just by the headers there. So we had 58 people, it looks like, enter this month. You can see they all answered yes, that they're all over 18. I guess I should have put 21 since it is alcohol involved. But if you're 18, you should be able to make mature decisions on entering a giveaway that's going to give you something to make your own alcohol. Yeah. So anyways, beside your name, you'll see the number. So Chad there would be 2. So that Dennis would be 10, and so on. So if you go through and you enter the giveaway, go through and take a look for your name and the number beside it, because we're going to be drawing, and those numbers will be your number for the drawing. Alright, we got that out of the way. We're going to go over to random.org, and we have a minimum of 2. The highest number was 59. So when I hit the button generate there on the screen, it's going to generate a randomly selected number, and that will be the winner of our giveaway. Before I hit that number, I just want to say thanks for everybody that's participated. Hope everybody's enjoying these giveaways whenever I do them. And remember to support the giveaways. If you just click on the link, it'll take you to Amazon, and you can go through there. You can buy it. You don't have to buy the product that's listed. You can buy anything off Amazon once you go through there. And then I do get like 4% of most sales, and I'm using that money to put back into the giveaways. So, something fun to do in the group. Hope everybody's enjoying. Alright, now let's hit that generate button and see who our winner is for the month of December. Generate. Oh, low number. We got number 3. Let's see who that is. Somebody got in early. Just watching for this. We're going to scroll up. And there we go. Jordan D. So if you are Jordan D and you entered the giveaway, I got your email and stuff, and I'll be contacting you either through your email, or if I see you on Facebook in the group, I'll get on there and send you a shout out. So hope everybody enjoyed, and I don't know if I'm able to get one of these done for the month of January, but I definitely want to try to do another one in February. But in the meantime, if anybody has an idea of some kind of product, you know, anywhere from $20 to $30, maybe even $40, that they think would be cool for a giveaway, shoot me a message on Facebook with what that product is, something off Amazon, of course, you know, related to the mead wine and everything, and let me know. And I need some ideas for what to give away. All right, everybody have a great day, and cheers.